I sometimes work 12 hours a day. In total, I lost about $10,000, practically all the savings I had. And how long after seeing the first film with Pavel did you start seeing the first profits? After a month or a month and a half, I started making some profits. But at the beginning, I started with $1,500 and grew my currency account to about $5,000. First of all, the euro and the dollar, I've gone up to 70,000, but I withdrew about $32,000 from my AXI account to a private bank account. In general, I associate the future with this, that I would like to give up work completely. Spend these few hours getting used to the computer. What advice would you give to someone who would like to make regular money from trading? Hi Cesare, tell us a few words about yourself. What do you do every day? What is it like for you? On a daily basis, I service large industrial machines. I generally travel around Europe, sometimes around the world. I sometimes work 12 hours a day. Why did you decide to get into trading in the first place? You know what? I started being interested in trading a long time ago, around 2024 to 2025, maybe even a little earlier. I have encountered scams many times with varying results. I came across Pavel somewhere on the internet, but I thought he was just another swindler trying to scam people out of money. But after a year, the story repeated itself, and I came back. So I followed Pavel a bit and decided that it's not necessarily a scam, but it's something that can provide some good learning. Can you tell me more about these scams? What exactly was that? Any signal groups? You know what? I was dabbling in crypto for a while, and somewhere out there someone was looking for easy help, easy money. In total, I lost about $10,000, practically all the savings I had. And then I decided that it was probably high time to start learning, and if something went wrong, I would only blame myself and not anyone else for letting myself be deceived. So what is the difference between ALLin Traders and these scams you are talking about? You know what? Previously it was based on the principle of invest here, because here it will go, deposit now, open the position. It was different with this. It was never said what TP, what SL. When I managed to earn $3,000 to $4,000 on Bybit, on crypto, it was a big wow. But then I ended up screwing it up. I once came across a group where you had to set up an account, an application, this and that. There were nice results there, but when it came to, for example, withdrawing money, I had to pay some commission first. Only when you can withdraw it, a light bulb went on in my head. That's probably where I spent the most money in all of this, to be honest. But here ALLin Traders says from the very beginning, start doing it this way. Because you will have it, you will have it, you will know why, what for, what goes with what, etc. How long after watching the first video with Pavel, or webinar, did you start seeing the first profits? After a month or so, I started making some profit. But at the beginning, I started with 1,500 and started growing my currency account to about 5,000. First of all, the euro and the dollar. So I increased it to 70,000. But I started to be more interested in the gold, how the gold works. Well, I lost some of it, because it's logical. But I withdrew about $32,000 from my AXI account to a private bank account. Let us also note that these 32,000 were made from what capital? Of 2. And this is a real account, not a demo? No, everything is real in AXI and normally on my account. Do you have anywhere on the platform, I don't know, a screenshot of this? Let's say 32,000 result? You know what? I can always take a screenshot of my bank account. Oh, if you could send it to me, that would be great. Tell me, what strategy do you use most often? Which one is your favorite? You know what? I'm trying to learn PAK with a little bit of smart money concept. Because I had some contact with the smart money concept somewhere before, so I try to add to it. Because it works well, more such confirmations give more visibility on the market as to what is happening because of it. And tell me, because that's what you're saying about these results, and you also mentioned at the beginning of the conversation that you work quite a lot of hours. Tell me, do you treat trading a bit like an escape from your job? In general, I associate the future with the fact that I would like to completely give up work, devoting these few hours to glue myself to the computer. It doesn't matter if it's 7 a.m. or 6 p.m., but I would like to just sit down, spend a few hours, and have the rest of the time for myself, for my family, for my friends, for exploring the world, because I love it. My job showed me a bit about the world tour option, so I liked it. And tell me what you felt when you earned those $32,000, because I understand that was the first bigger result somewhere. I mean, generally speaking, when it comes to paying out $32,000, it helped me quite a lot in my private life. Somewhere in there I had my financial problems from earlier years, when I was, as they say, young and stupid, and thought I was making money off the world. Well, this allowed me to get on my straight line, and now I can say that I will actually start everything over again, from scratch, which makes me very happy. And yet, I will try to continue to focus solely on trading as soon as possible. So to sum up, ALLin Traders had some impact on your results. Yes. Tell me again whether you have already used any AI systems from Pavel, or are you not at that stage yet? You know what? I'm testing AI Kintel because I got access after the conference in Warsaw, which was great. So let's tell you how you liked the conference. Well, the conference was very nice. I went there primarily to see how it is eaten from the middle side, from the inside. Because, you know, online meetings with teachers, like this conversation with you now, is one thing, but being in the middle of the whole project, it looks a bit different. Cool flow, positive impressions. As for Kintel, I'm curious to see how it will develop and how it will function. I signed up, and my trip to Turkey for the ALLin Campa training has already been paid for. I also want to go there for more knowledge, more opportunities. Also, tell me what advice you would give to someone who would like to earn regular money from trading. Of his journey, he is just entering this world. He does not yet really know what to connect with what. This is some advice from myself. My advice is, I think, first of all, to focus on what you want to do. Testing everything step by step, not trying to mix different concepts. Well, first of all, classes with mentors. Lucas is a very great mentor in general. He teaches and explains very well and has patience, that must be admitted. I know what training can give me, among other things, because of my salary that I had somewhere. And I want more. I just want a quiet, normal life. I have a 14-year-old son who also liked the conference in Warsaw because he was with me. With Paul's permission, I was able to take him. Somewhere in there, a boy also liked it and is drilling a hole in my stomach to show him more. So, I know what only perseverance and systematicity can give. Don't give up, because it's not easy. Sign up for the free workshop that will take place on Sunday at 8 p.m. You'll find the link below.